machine or yeah, upset forging. Some forging are produced using so-called forging machines, yeah, upsetter. And a typical product is cylindrical bar with a hexagonal head. It producing such a product of cylindrical bar of the proper diameter and length to be provided enough material for the head is cut out and the portion of cylindrical is gripped and the remaining upset to form the head as shown figure. In this figure we have seen that there are a head up set up on the bar and punch a heading die apply a force in this direction, die impression and movement of die. Then the cycle of operations for the job consists of placing the heated stock on one side of the die called gripper die and closing the two halves of the die to grip stock, pushing the punch या header die in the upset of the stock, withdrawing the punch या heading die and opening the die. The stock is then moved into the next station and the cycle repeats. Then step that is the volume of metal which can be upset in one stage is limited and hence depending on the total upset required a number of stages may be necessary. And gripper जो है यहाँ पर gripper die जो है will have two or more forging position arranged vertically down. Corresponding to these gripper die position two or more heading dies या punches जो हैं are mounted on the heading die slide. And in this there a bar is moved from one position to the next in proper sequence until the forging is completed, and further upset forging machine operation is usually hot working through the cold working may also be done. Example के लिए example of this application of the process are gear blanks with stems, cluster gear blanks, shafts, levers with noops, forks and their ends of automobile mushroom walls. These are completed by machine या upset forging. In the roll forging operation, you have seen that there are a roll segment on direction of this and other roll segment direction of this. These are the two roll segment and center there are a stock and this one is the bar stop. This one is the stock supporter. This is a systematic diagram of roll forging. Roll forging In this roll forging is done with two half rolls या रोल सेगमेंट जो कि माउंटेड होते हैं ऑन द पैरेलल शाफ्ट एज ऑन फिगर. तो यहाँ पे आप डायग्राम दे सकते हैं. यहाँ पर रोल फोर्जिंग में रोल का जो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट दो हाफ दिखाई दे रहा है. यहाँ पे एक हाफ ये हो गया, एक हाफ ये है और सेंटर पर बीच में पैरेलल शाफ्ट जो है वो अटैच है. एंड पर्टिकुलर द काउंटर स्पेस ऑन these rolls allow the workpiece to be positioned for rolling and matching impressions are cut on the surface of the upper and lower roll segment. कौन कौन segment? Lower upper and lower roll segments to draw out in and shape the workpiece. Draw out and shape the workpiece. In this roll forging, the workpiece is placed between the rolls, which then turn to the shape of the workpiece. Work is placed between the rolls, then turn into shape the workpiece, and the rolls rotate one revolution at a time. That is important. The rolls rotate one revolution at a time, and the roll segment may be provided with more than one set of grooves. And further, a stock rolled through one of set of grooves is moved to the second and rolled through the second set, and so until completion. Each set of grooves is made to do a specific job. And further, specific job. And further, by this method, bar stock can be drawn or changed into desired shape. And this process is rapid and is used to prepare sections for forging machines or hammers for further processing. Forging rolls are also used for completely forging parts like levers, leaf spring, knife, blades, and axes. Forging rolls are used for completely forging parts like levers, leaf spring, knife, blades, and axle. This is the roll forging operations, and we have discussed there are many types of roll forging processes: smith forging, hand forging, drop forging, press forging, machine upsetted forging, roll forging, and rotary forging. Whenever we talk rotary forging, so there have a sub rotation in the mind, and the rotation, that is your rotary forging. After the completion of roll forging, that is a rotary forging. And there have a several advantage of rotary forging. Up to 90% reduction per pass is possible, and continuous production, because there is a no need for any reheating, because just a known as your rotary forging. In conventional forging process, using the two die are suitable for carbon steels, but do not work satisfactory for higher alloys, super alloys that maintain high strength level at elevated temperature and resist deformation. These materials are forged by rotary forging. This is the condition. Condition is that conventional forging process using two dies are suitable for carbon steels, but do not work satisfactory for highly alloyed super alloys that maintains a high strength levels at elevated temperature and resist deformation. These materials are forged by rotary forging. So then success of forging operation depends on proper control of workpiece temperature during this operation. Successful The success of forging operation depends on proper control of workpiece temperature during this operation. So then rotary forging helps control the temperature within the narrow range by generation of functional heat because of its high speed and high reduction ratio. तो इसमें हमें मिल रहा है high speed and high reduction ratio. And rotary forging uses four mechanical driven hammers to rapidly exert forging pressure simultaneously on all sides of the workpiece. This results in spreading of the work material in a longitudinal direction only, unlike the conventional forging in which the spreading of the workpiece occurs laterally. Lateral spreading of the work material can be lead to the formation of surface tears and surface bursts, a possibility that is prevented by rotary forging, because highly alloyed superalloy that maintain a high strength. So then rotary forging machine comprised of robust cast steel forging box which contains four connecting rods arranged at a right angles and driven by the eccentric shaft by two high stepped motors. This is the basic arrangement. In this arrangement, that have a rotary forging machines comprise of a rubber cast steel forging box which contains four connecting rods arranged at a right angles and driven by eccentric shaft by the two high speed motor to high speed motor. And your positioning of the hammer is accomplished by the four adjustable mechanism mounted in the box, and the hammer can be adjusted in pairs independently for forging rectangular sections and in unison for forging around a square workpiece. Then there are two manipulators या जिसको हम बोलते हैं check chuck heads जो कि provided one of each side of the forge box for gripping and feeding the workpiece to the hammer. For forging round workpiece are rotated by the chuck heads, but for a forging square and rectangular piece, the chuck's head spindle is locked in position. And fin, a mandrel support, a mandrel supported by a support tube through the chuck head and the positions between the hammers is used for forging of hollow workpiece. Then rotary forging is actually a pressing process uh, in which the workpiece is subjected to a high rate of deformation by simultaneous high speed of forging hammers. Commercially, rotary forging machines making a 175 stroke and 175 strokes per minute and exerting force up to 1500 tons have been designed. In high capacity rotary forging marching, the workpiece are produced within up to 40% reduction in one pass. तो what are the basic advantage of rotary forging process? सबसे पहला ये है कि हाई प्रोडक्शन रेट इसमें हो जाएगा, मोर प्रिसाइज और मेटलर्जिकली साउंड प्रोडक्ट विद रिप्रोड्यूसिबल डायमेंशन एक्यूरेसी मिल जाएगी, यूनिफॉर्मिटी और कंसिस्टेंसी नॉट अचीवेबल एंड विद कन्वेंशनल फोर्जिंग प्रोसेस, कंटिन्यूस प्रोडक्शन क्योंकि यहाँ पर नो नीड फॉर एनी रीहीटिंग, सरफेस डिफेक्ट्स बहुत ही कम होगा और नो लाइकहुड of tearing या bursting even with the material having limited hot ductility and very narrow forging temperature. Lower machining allowances needed due to better surface quality and up to 90% reduction per pass is possible. And the process consumes about 50% less energy compared to the conventional forging. In this, there are several forging operations: machining for upset forging, roll forging, and there are rotary forging. And this one be advantage of rotary forging for high production rate और साथ ही साथ a more precise or metallurgical sound product. Also a 90% reduction per pass is possible in their rotary forging.